Hello everyone! I'm here doing restaurant recipes. Keeping it simple, we're gonna do a smoothie. Most important thing, fresh fruit. So if you have fruit you like, pineapple, strawberry, berries, whatever it is, buy some and then freeze it. Don't buy frozen fruit. Frozen fruit sucks and doesn't taste very well and then it waters down your drink a little bit. Now, the other important thing, a strong commercial blender to bring it all together and make it taste delicious. Now, in a little secret, some people do it, some people don't, but none of the smoothie places do it, is use actual juice. Orange juice is easy to add, but if you use apple juice, unlike many of these places that use water, you get a better flavor and you get the sweetener. Now, it may not be the healthiest thing in the world, but this is, to me, the best gold medal Martinelli's apple juice. A little Greek yogurt or a banana if you want to have a little creaminess added to it. Empty glass, so we can begin using our measuring. And I use it all in the glass. I always do in the glass. That's the perfect measurement for things. So
excuse me.
Yes, question from the audience.
Do you need ice?
Of course not, because you want it to be fruit. This isn't Smoothie King. This isn't some, we're not trying to water down things here. You're doing this in your house so you want it to taste really good. So let's get started. This is just some things I like to do. Yes, my hands are clean, doesn't matter. You're there, I'm here, and I'm gonna drink it. So I like pineapple. I like some strawberries. Again, we freeze our excess. Sometimes I'll even buy extra at the store so I can chop it up and freeze it. Especially if you know what it tastes like. If the pineapple was delicious, go back and get more.
What is that?
These are blackberries. So I have blackberries, I have strawberries, I have pineapple, and I have a banana, but I'll put the banana straight in here. I am looking at the camera. Yes, I am. Thank you, Gina, my lovely assistant. So the banana's in there.
I'm not technically an assistant if I'm the one manning the camera.
You're assisting me be better.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna pour the apple juice in here. I like to go a little bit halfway or so. If you need more, then you add more, but. Now, let's get a little spoon here for the yogurt.
Why do you use a plastic spoon?
Well, because if you use a metal spoon.
Frame it. I use a plastic spoon.
I use a plastic spoon because if you use a metal spoon, it kind of cuts the yogurt. We don't know if we're going to use the whole thing. Actually, I do know. I'm not going to use the whole thing. So, thank you, Menchie's, for the spoon. Couple of spoons here. All right, we'll put the lid on it, turn it on, and I'm excited to taste it. Are you guys excited to taste it? Would you like to come over? Variations include mango, papaya, any fruit really that you can consume. I mean, if you'd like, send us a message. We can give you our old restaurant menu. So if you want the tropical smoothie and you want mango and pineapple and coconut, or you want what I just made, or whatever you want, we can give you suggestions.
Do you ever add honey?
I do add honey, I do. Thank you for asking. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you perhaps the greatest tasting smoothie of all time. I don't know what my producer would like me to do right now. She's pointing at me and giving me some signals. Would you like me to taste it?
Get a straw.
A straw. Where do we keep straws?
Right there.
Right here. One of these, impossible to sip from thin metal straws. I'm just gonna use whatever this is. You love having me on camera eating.
Does it need honey?
No, it's perfection. If you like the taste of honey, by all means, you can add some honey. But this is perfect. Maybe a little honey.
And why is that?
It's delicious. I just like honey, and maybe I put a little bit too much of that Greek yogurt
So how do you fix it?
with a little honey, but it is really good.
Go, do it.
I hope this will look good.
You don't listen to your wife.
I want to do things on my own sometimes. Would you guys like some? If you were my neighbor, you would try some of this. If you'd like any smoothie suggestions, please message us. I always forget what I'm supposed to say here. I believe it's follow us, subscribe, like, comment, any form of interaction.
It's greatly appreciated.
It's greatly appreciated.
Share. Maybe somebody will pay us one day.
Maybe somebody will pay us one day for doing all the stuff that we love to do, promote, perhaps Waring, Commercial Blender, Martinelli's, who knows. I am Ernie for Miami Food Family, leaving with my smoothie. Thank you, and
Restaurant recipes?
restaurant recipes. It could also be make and buy, but this is restaurant recipes, better than Smoothie King. Bye. How's that?